you guys might have enjoyed this ASMR video. The reason I switched to 50 watt fog lamps LED was because the 25 watt LED spread was very narrow. It worked fine in city conditions, but on the darker roads visibility was just average. With the 50 watt LEDs, the throw is noticeably better and the spread is wider. You can see more of the road edges, which helps a lot at night. That said, higher wattage also means more heat, so long-term reliability will depend on the bulb quality and cooling design. Also, this isn't just about brightness, beam pattern still matters. If the focus is off, even a powerful LED can perform worse. Hence, I had to tune the spread manually so that it aligns on the road without blinding the oncoming vehicles. If you are planning to upgrade from the stock halogens to these 50 watt LEDs, you can go ahead safely. These 50 watt LEDs do not pose a risk to the stock wiring or the fuse, and also does not burn the fog reflector housing. Overall, this feels like a solid upgrade to me, especially if you drive frequently on poorly lit roads. I hope this video helped you in comparing 25 watt versus 50 watt LEDs for the fog lamps. Thank you and keep watching.